Each stop of an RV trip, or any trip really, is special in its own right. But unless it's the last stop of your trip, there's always another place waiting. Sometimes it's just a stop to get you where you're really going. But sometimes it's that pin in the map that made you drive this far to begin with. And it's human nature to wake up excited, ready to be there. You can taste it. You can smell it. You literally just can't wait. But do you ever wonder why someone came up with the words stop and smell the roses? When you're going, stopping is literally the last thing you want to do.
First stop today, Publix. Get some food for the next couple of days.
The easiest thing to do on days like this is just point the van towards the pin and drive like crazy.
One of the places we always like to stop at.
Your destination is on the right.
But doing that means you'll literally drive by the places that, if given a chance, will likely be part of the journey you'll remember the most.
Make sure.
Alright, it's very trusting.
That's a pretty rooster.
That is a pretty rooster.
Ernest Hemingway had a famous saying about the word before. Today, we'll add a few more to that list, starting with, before you go, stop.
Look at this. Man. Peel and eat shrimp.
Maggie don't knock the table.
Tacos.
Mahi tacos.
And Maggie keeps trying to chase all the pigeons and everything underneath the table. Watch out, you made everything slick, little girl. Stay down. The waitress said we can feed the shells from the peel and eat shrimp to the tarpon that are out here, so that's what we're doing. Oh, that wasn't the one that stayed on top.
Floated to the bottom.
Yep.
Now all the pelicans are coming. That's always an awesome little stop.
It is.
Yeah.
Get to do some shopping, and we needed gloves, or at least half gloves, for paddling, because that's wearing our palms out paddling so much. So I've got places there. And, well, we didn't expect much for lunch, but it
really
was
good.
Really, really good.
Peel and eat shrimp were really good. The tacos were really good.
Yeah. And you can sit there and watch the pelicans and the tarpon down there, and like we did, you can take your shrimp shells and throw them down, and they just gobble that up. So.
Maggie had a good time. We got to take.
Let's see. I think we're about. I don't know. How far do you think we are away now? We're
probably about 30 minutes.
Bahia Honda State Park.
Oh, wow.
1 hour away.
Head southwest on US 1 South toward Jerome Avenue.
So that's where we're heading.
Before you get to an island, you have to first get over the water. Doing so gives you motivation and time to think of Mr. Hemingway's words. They are, before you act, listen. Before you react, think. Before you spend, earn. Before you criticize, wait. Before you quit, try. Before you pray, forgive. And one that we'll add, before you die, live. I don't know about you, but being here in this paradise, in this beautiful weather, man, this is living for us.
Then you will arrive at your destination.
Yes, we will. One of, if not the most difficult campgrounds to get into. We have 9 nights here. We're so lucky.
We are. We have to move quite a bit, but
Hey,
we're still lucky.
we're still lucky.
Yep.
Sunset at 6:19 tonight, it says. have a reservation. You want me to park and come in?
Yep.
We know the deal, don't we? Thank you.
Can you park over there? You got a nice little trailer.
Yeah, they do. Well, that's always something to check in like that, and the volunteer is really, really nice. We're going to go up here and go to our site, but it's hey buddy, I see you over there. And Jill was inside, and she had to tell the lady that they were checking in somebody. She said that was famous. We're not famous, but it's so cool. And I said, see, I know all the rules, and we tell everybody else. And she said, quit doing that. We don't want so many people to come here. It's an awesome place. Look at this. I'll turn the other camera on. Wow, there's a really good boat out there.
It is a pretty nice one.
It's a really good boat. This is it right here, guys. This is the premier place to be in Florida, in the Keys. Well, anywhere just about. You can't get much better than this, and we're so fortunate. So glad to be here, and we're glad you're with us. For all of you that follow us, it's super cool. You're the reason we get to do this. Awesome. Here's our site for the first 2 nights. We're going to move 3 different times here. We got a 2-nighter, a 2-nighter, a 4-nighter, and then a 1-nighter if we decide to stay on that 1-nighter. So here we are. Got everything here to block us. It's just really cool, isn't it? So first impressions, well, it's beautiful. Second impression, you're really close to the overseas highway, and that bridge, well, noisy. So you just have to put up with that. But the weather is beautiful. It is a beautiful, beautiful place. We're out here now trying to scope out the closest place for us to take our kayak to put it in. So that's what we're doing now. I don't know. What do you think? Tell you what, it sure is beautiful, isn't it? Wow. All right, we're gonna ride around for a little bit. We know that we have subscribers on one of the sites over in Sandspur, so we'll ride over there. Maggie came running and hopped into her Toto basket, so she's excited about that. Oh, yeah. Aren't you, Maggie? Ready to go? We'll go for a ride? Let's go.
Did you bring your camera out?
No.
Here.
You want to take the dog?
Yeah, that's a really
Here's our first sunset at Bahia Honda. Wow.
Beautiful.
I remember that. So we've met so many people this morning. It's now about 1 o'clock. Done a little bit of admin work, booking sites and other things, and now after relaxing, I think we're going to just go ride around and just explore here at Bahia Honda, because you could spend days just riding around here, seeing what's here. It's a really cool place. Hey guys, how are you? Wow, the wind's really blowing on the bay side. Wow. Did you lose your hat there, lady?
I did.
The wind's really whipping, isn't it?
It is. You wouldn't think
This is Bahia Honda's Bayside Campground. It's beautiful, but before you can camp here, you have to keep in mind you have to be able to fit under this bridge.
We've never taken this trail out here that looks like it goes out to the end of this point, so we thought we'd just do it and see where it goes. It gets a little muddy right here, doesn't it?
So I'm going to try something different for dinner tonight. It's pizzas in a toaster. We'll see how that goes. Favorite, of course, is pork. I just tried one just to make sure it was going to work. I'm going to pop this one back down. And you can kind of see from the top that when it melts the cheese, that's when it's ready. Let's see what it tastes like. All right. So Owen's going to stand up and try this. It's not really like dinner.
Like a Hot Pocket.
Kind of is like a Hot Pocket.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Mmm. Mmm. The boar's head. Man,
Yeah, we love the boar's head pepperonis.
that's just awesome right there.
Good cheese.
Mm.
All right.
There, another one just popped up. Way to go. This
That's
is
right.
awesome.
Quick and easy.
Sunset tonight at Bahia Honda. Beautiful. Over the bridge. Just absolutely gorgeous.